How to correctly measure your towing setup to get an effective towing result that is nice and level with your Gen-Y hitch. So we're going to measure firstly the ground to the center of the tow bar receiver hole, which is 670 mil in this application. Now keep in mind the vehicle and your trailer also have to be level. And then coming through here, we're going to pretend our drawbars around here and we are at say 600 mil off the ground. So the difference between that 670 to the center of that pin and our drawbar is 70 mil. So giving us about, 3 inches give or take of drop required to safely tow nice and level, which as this ball sits, we are 3 inches lower at a perfect height. So when that trailer comes on, it's nice and level. Now keep in mind, if you end up with a different measurement that's high, say it's negative, it's the rise that you require. So other way around, same concept, just the other way around.